Okay, Ji. Okay, Ji. Thank you. Let's start today's yoga session. Yeah, thank you for joining. Oh, okay. 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 All right. Sit straight. As usual, we start with some exercises, asanas. Then we'll do pranayama, breathing exercises, and then meditation. Yeah. So just sit straight. Before starting, concentrate on Om. Om is the sound of the universe, is the ultimate vibration, which if you can incorporate in your life, you can live through your energy potential rather than just the physical component that we usually live by. So breathe in deeply. शांति 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 ही पुनः आप सभी को धन्यवाद साथ देने के लिए ओके asans are physical exercises without body being fit your mind being fit there is no point trying to get gold you won't get it simple as that the whole situation is based on looking after your body and mind first. The problem with religions of the world today is they think they can help people achieve something without first looking after their body and the mind. What sits in your ultimately as the drive of this body, the soul, the Atma, whatever name you want to give, or the component of God, is so deep. If your body is not healthy, your mind is not a state of actually wellness, whatever you do, you won't be able to reach that part. Okay, so first exercise. So Paschimottanasana, lift your hand up, touch the toes. Chakki asana. Okay, so go clockwise 3 times. Minimum is 3 times. Maximum, no limit, whatever time you have. So we do minimum times. Okay. Specific sizes for your energy centers in your body. First is Muladhara. So, which is basically at the root of your spine. So you put your right ankle on your left knee, press the right ankle to the ground. Why we start with Om is so that your mind is focused on what you are doing. Okay, so it's mindful. Try and bring it up as possible as if with practice you will be able to do it. Takes time. Okay, so Muladhara is the storage of entire energy of this body, depending on your karmas, yeah, credits and debits of whatever life you have had before. You are born at a level at which the energy is stored in every single person at this level. If you want to do better, and that's why you get a life in a human form, otherwise you are locked as a plant or an animal where restrictions are there. You can't really do anything more in the lifetime, an animal or a plant. But a human has a choice. So you can actually change your destiny. There's nothing as naseeb or taqdeer or no. You need to, if you know how to change whatever impressions or sanskars has been actually put in your DNA, it can be changed by practicing these exercises. So if Mooladhara, which is the lowest level of energy chakra, you live by that, then you just will flow through the lifetime anyway in whatever form you are without realizing and achieving what the potential was in the body. But because of the justice system of the creation, you'll just be there. You can become a criminal, or you can become, depending on the credits, you'll become a better person. But still, the choice is there. So exercising through your body, understanding the principles of the body, how this body runs, is actually paramount in terms of you having a choice, and that's why you have a human body. So second state is this thing called butterfly or Titli asana. So you try and move your thighs down as much as possible, because the energy then moves to what's called Swadhisthana chakra, which is at the level of your reproductive organs. So at the basic level, it's fight, fight, flight response, and whatever you are with every animal and plant also has that. Next, with this butterfly exercises, you are trying to balance your Swadhisthana. Swadhisthana is reproductive organs, excretory functions, life of sensual pleasures, which has to be balanced. So animals know they have limitations. Plant also only selects minerals from the soil. For rose, for example, only that particular mineral to have a red rose. So, but humans, because of that freedom, there is an issue about it, where you stop. So controlling the sensual perception, which is limited anyway at a material level, your eyes has a limited potential, your ears, eyes, but even that is itself is destructive. So now third is Manipur, so which comes up to level of your belly button. So third exercise, what we do is this kind of exercise. So it is pressing on your belly button. Again, go clockwise 3 times, and then anti-clockwise 3 times. In your own time, do it as much as you can. Whatever level you think you are in your as a person and you want to develop, you can move. So Manipur asana, when you look after your basic functions of survival and instinctive living, if that is balanced, then only you can actually operate at a Manipur level, which is basically at a level of expression of Lakshmi or Vishnu Sarup of a person. So you can accumulate wealth, you can progress at work and every other thing that you want to do. Fourth, anahat. An means no, ha, hat means together. Anhat means you are detached. Okay, so it's anahat. And om, because it's a word which is produced without actually using two surfaces. So every other thing is noise comes by either hitting a floor or your vocal cords hitting. Om is only sound which is made without, just by opening your mouth. There's no touching of any other thing. It's just no. So that's why anahat or om is utilized in that vessel as a manner. So if you are at this stage, other things are looked after, and then you get compassion, true compassion, not for public accolades. You go there and do something so people can clap. True insight, compassion, humility, acceptance, anger control, management. Then your love for creation, be plant, animals, and not selectively. It's only a certain pets I like, so that won't be killed. Other things, because it's tasty to my tongue, then I'll kill them. This is all the hypocrisy of the world that we live in. Okay, so you are beyond that. Love is the only true language of the God or creation or the energy. That is, if you want to reach there, you have to open your heart level of energy center. So that's for that. And then if you go up, it's called Vishuddhi, it's at the throat level. So this is the energy center for driving you, plus your heart is balanced, and then your voice, whatever you say, comes out in a truthful manner, in a sincere manner, in a pleasant manner. You're not hating everything. And it comes up to then the Nasika, your thing, nasal taste buds, and Trikuti, your in the where the tikka is put. Okay, so they are in metaphysical connection beyond and on the top. So those are done by from up here above heart. You have to do breathing exercises and meditation. Below that, we do asanas. Asanas to a lot of part of it. If you have this mindfulness and rhythmic exercises that we do, you will actually balance slowly over time. So a lot of people do exercises by walking and other things subconsciously without realizing actually that's what's happening to the body. That's why you are getting better, and any form of exercise is actually very good. So, but understanding the depth, the meaning, the significance actually makes it better. So you can lift yourself well and good. If you can't, don't worry. Just have to practice lifting up your back of your arms. Okay, you need this strength, you need the balance, you need to look after your body because the whole energy system sits within this body. Okay, so that's why people who say just start doing meditation and things, they themselves don't know the full understanding of what this body is, and they're not doing meditation anyway. Okay, they're just relaxing a little bit, which is good in its own way. But if you're trying to achieve more than that, it's actually you have to go through these phases. Okay, lift your leg up 45 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Touch the floor. Back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Touch the floor. Back up. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so breathing deeply. Lie flat. Shoulder extend. Sarvangasana. Lift. Yes, sir. Let the blood flow down. Yeah. So normally it's the other way around. So blood helping the flow blood down. Support yourself. Halasana. Plow. Okay, so lift your legs up and take beyond your head. If you can touch the floor, it's okay. You can't, just do whatever you can. So we do 3 times minimum. Okay, that's time doesn't permit more than that. Okay, there's so much to do. Okay, lift. Matrishasana, bring your ankle towards your bum. Lift it up, hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now, Chakrasana. So lift yourself up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come down, support your neck. Makarasana. Ankles together, knees together. Twist your body towards the knee, towards the right, left, look towards the left. Change, change, change. One more time. Right, then to the left. Pawan Muktasana. Pull your knees towards your face. 1, 2, 3. Right side, then left. 1, 2, 3. Both. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now lift yourself up. Say massage your back up and down. Go side to side. Side muscles of your tummy. Right side, left side, right side, left. One more. Right, left. Yeah, Bhutasana, Navasana. Okay, so balance, lift, lift, up, sit. Gomukhasana. So position in like a cow pose. You sit on your right ankle, your left leg is over your right knee, right elbow is behind your left knee, and look at the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Extend your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, from left hand from up, right hand from the back. Try to bring your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you can touch the knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, in one pose, cow pose, or Gomukh position, you're twisting the entire body from the ankles up to the neck. It is in this position now, right? Ankle over left knee, left over right knee, look back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Extend your hands. 1, 2, 3. Lift your hand, right one this time over your head. Hold your fingers on the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then touch the knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sit. Relax. Now grounding. Okay, hit the sole of your feet. It's called grounding, it's called tapping. It's very powerful in terms of neuronal stimulation of the body. It's part of yogic exercises. That's why you take out your feet as shoes and walk for a while in a clean grass area. Okay. Body, every single cell has 1.5 voltage. There's 100 trillion cells in your body. Imagine the amount of electrical energy. You need to ground it. Okay. And the tapping part of it actually makes it stimulates a lot of brain centers which are represented through your sole of your feet and palm as well. So clapping is appreciation. Most of it actually helps you in terms of stimulating your nerve centers in yourself. So if you ever do something good for others, the benefit is more for you rather than for that person. So don't ever hide back and think, oh, if I appreciate someone or do, clap for someone or say namaste, you're actually doing a service to yourself. Your body is getting healthier. The gratitude that is expressed, either in the physical manner or that what the mind actually goes through when you express appreciation, a million times amplifies good genes in your body. So all these prayer things that we are taught to do, actually, in physical and mental way, it is making your body better. But I think problem is most of the, as I say, religions or pandit, they don't teach these things. I don't know if they understand even the depth of what all these rituals and meanings are for why we are doing these things. Okay, so never hesitate to appreciate, because you are helping yourself more than anything. In the same manner, if you express anger, jealousy, hatred, ill will, violence, and whatever you do, and a good example is what is happening in Middle East, you are bound to actually destroy your own culture, your families, your generations. For many, many generations, it will be there because you're expressing bad, and someone like, if you do something like what happened on 7th October to the young kids in Israel and what the response is now, it's all your part of, what you are doing. If you do wrong, the justice of it will happen in some way or form. So you have to be very mindful of, if you do bad, the bad comes to you in a multiplied manner. If you do good, good will come to you. But that's the core probably teachings of religions. But Hindu religion teaches you these things. But I think we are so much stuck in culture, and religion is a culture and rituals that we forget the deep meaning. Okay, so press radial artery. So if you want longevity, your telomere length to be long, have a long, healthy life, every human being has a potential to live for 100 years. And with the disclaimer that if you follow the right diet, follow the right habit of looking after your mind first, then it will happen. There's no, as I said in the beginning, takdir or this, my, everything's written. No. Everybody has the genes and everything to live unless and until you don't do the right things. For children, it's different thing. Young child getting cancer or something is a different thing to talk about. There's a karmic cycle of what happens and how you are born and other things. Other than that, which is less than 5% of disease systems in the body anywhere, 95% is what we bring to ourselves. Okay, so acid-base balance. So if you do the exercises, you never get reflux, you never get gastritis, all this old type of irritable bowel disease. Just do it for a few weeks and you see the difference, because your tummy, the acid, the other chemicals that are need to be secreted and other things are balanced. So simple exercises, but people want everything to be very complicated, very expensive. I want to go to the best doctor who will give me this prescription. Yeah, you're dependent on that. So the more you're externally dependent, the less your body is going to look after itself. Okay, so it's stress. It sits around your head. So these muscles on your hand, if you press around it every day as a daily thing, you reduce, because they sit around here, on your chin, on your cheek. So tapping, these are all part of exercises taken from yoga by mainstream medicine now. To actually, there's lots of research things being done to see the benefits of these things. So breathe in through your right nostril, out to the left, into the right, out to the left, into the right, out to the left. Now make a fist, put on the left armpit, breathe to the left, out to the right, into the left, out to the right, into the left, out to the right. So opening your nostrils as a breathing apparatus is very important for metabolism. So if you don't have nostrils open, which is left is associated with position of moon, right to the sun, metabolism in your body doesn't happen properly. So that's why you need to know how to open them and need to keep it open when you are eating. Don't use mouth as a breathing. Mouth is really not. Nose is where you should breathe. Okay. Now, exercises facing downwards. As I say, if you're not fit, your body is not healthy, your mind won't be healthy. Your mind and body are not in balanced position. It's very hard to tap deeper in yourself for intuition. Okay, so you can do either plank if you can't do push-up. You can do push-up, just do push-ups with me. And lie flat. Push your hands upwards and legs downwards. Extend. Push your body 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now rest your chin on your thumb, on your elbows like this. Bring your legs towards yourself. Pull as much as you can. Now, Sarapasana or snake pose. Hands together, legs together. Push your body right side to the left, right, to the left, right side, to the left side. Now, hands by your side. Lift your legs up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Touch the floor. Back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Touch the floor. Back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Breathe in deeply through your nostrils all the time. Now, open your leg up, lift, open. And opposite. Hold your ankles, pull towards yourself, lift your upper body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now breathe in as out when you're breathing out, go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go right side, left side, right side, left side, right side, left side. Now lift the leg, right leg, hold it with your left fingers and gradually, slowly pull as much as you can to the opposite side. Now do the opposite hand. The right hand pushing, pulling the left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lift yourself, balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On one knee now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sit in this position and stretch yourself. Go down, touch the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lift yourself. Sthirasana. Push yourself as far back as possible. Support your body weight by using your ankles. Go back. Sit on the ankle this time. Push further. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all the way. Go down, down, and down. Come up. Now, this is Vajrasana. Sit in this position. Put your fingers together at your belly button. As you breathe out, go down. Increase the intra-abdominal pressure. Go down, down. Breathe in. Now increase the pressure by putting left hand over the right. Push. Go down. Come up. On this side. Press your left fingers. Breathe out as you go down, down, and down. Now along your thighs, at the level on the sides, put your fingers together. Again, breathe out as you go down. Press their kidneys, these intra-abdominal structures. Yeah, you're increasing the strength of it. Keep sitting. Do exercise for your eyes. Look at the right fingers. Keep your neck straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go diagonal right side up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left side down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go opposite. Left side up this time. 1, 3, 4, 5. Right side down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Horizontal again. 1, 3, 4, 5. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands on your thighs. Look as far as possible. Then at your tip of your nose, far away. Tip of your nose, far away. Tip of your nose, go clockwise. 12, 3, 6, 9, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12. Anti-clockwise 12, 9, 3, 6, 12, 9, 3, 6, 12, 9, 3, 12, 9, 6, 3, 12. Exercise with your neck. Gradually, slowly go clockwise. Next size, opposite. Wrist exercises. Okay. Move, move, move. Shoulders, hands. Okay. Now, if you can balance, lift yourself. If you can't do it on the sides or on your tummy. Be careful, it has to be a steady surface, all right? Pull yourself up. Now lie down and lift yourself without actually using hands as a support. So lift yourself. Breathe in, go up without hand. Yes, like this. Okay, now a little bit more exercise left before we finish off asana. So exercise. Stand up, breathe in and out. In, out, in, out, out. Stretch your hands in and out. Use your breath. Yeah. Anjali Asana. Go down. Balance yourself. Come up. Hold your earlobes. Go down. Come up one more time. Down. Hold it. Malasana. Come up. Knee. Clockwise. 3 times. Anti-clockwise. Your pelvic area. Clockwise. Okay. Move them. Left side. Anti-clockwise. Hold yourself sturdy. Vrikshasana, 3 poses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change side on one leg. Balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Warrior pose. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And balance. Lift. Change side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Lift. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, Chandra Namaskar. Like Surya Namaskar, there is a set of asanas for Chandra Namaskar, appreciation of position of moon. Okay. Trikon, right hand to the ankle. Look at the fingers on the top. Bring it down. Take yourself down. On one knee, lift yourself. 1, 2, 3. Come up. Sit on your right ankle. 1, 2, 3. Change side. Left trikon. Bring your hand down. Goes together. Lift yourself up. 1, 2, 3. Change sign. One left ankle now. 1, 2, 3. Now stretch yourself. Now last set of exercise is called Surya Namaskar. If you don't know how to appreciate your family, friends, your children or neighbors, just express gratitude to the sun, okay? Or to the moon. If you get cut out, just join, okay? I think after 10 minutes, this thing will cut off. So we'll continue. I'll rejoin and you can rejoin after. So breathe in. 12 sets of exercises, asana. Look towards east, towards the sun. Express gratitude. Without sun, there is no universe, there is no energy. Okay, you can't survive, can't live. So at least express thank you. Breathe in and out. Go up. 3. Touch the toes. Push the right leg back. Plank position. Your chin, your knee and toes are holding your body. Lift up. Bhujang. Parvatasana, mountain pose. Right leg followed by left. Pull in. Come up. All the way. Now do it from the left side. Breathe in and out. In, out. Left leg. Push it back. Plank position. Asthanasana. Bhujang. Parvat. Left leg followed by right. Pull in. Come up. Breathe out. Second round. Breathe in and out. In, out. Touch your toes. Push your right leg back. Asthanasana. Bhujangasana. Parvatasana. Right leg followed by left. Pull in. Come up. All the way. Now from the left side. Breathe in and out. In and out. In and out. Plank. Asthanasana. Bhujang. Parvatasana. Left side followed by right. Pull the right leg in. All the way. Now the last cycle. Starting from right side. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And the last one from the left side. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, that's minimum only 3 times. Imagine doing it for 50 times. And it's your body weight. Don't have to go to a gym. Don't have to drive to a park. It's in your own home, in your own comfort. By the time you get ready to go exercise, you're finished. Okay, it's simple, but people don't have the discipline or the mindset. Okay, your body weight is enough, your home is enough to do exercises even. Yeah, you can spare time to go for a walk, it's good. Go to a beach, it's even better. Sea water, nature, these are good things, but if you're short of time, you can do this, okay? So just balance, if you can lift yourself on your elbows. And the last exercise is headstand. Okay, so if you can do your headstand, or you don't know how to do headstand, you can do shoulder stand that I showed. So lift yourself up. Take the whole body is opposite way. You can get the blood flow from the legs to the heart and heart to head is easier. This gets a break to the body. Increases the strength of your neck muscles, your shoulder muscles, your back muscles. So you can get the support of the wall or someone to help you slowly, gradually you'll be able to do it. Okay, so exercise is done. It doesn't even take half hour to exercise your whole body head to toe. If you want to do it then. You want to find reason, you won't do anything. Like every other thing in life, people have reasons, Okay, so I share knowledge, that's all. I never push anyone to do anything. If you want to do, you do. It's your body, your choice, as they say. As people say, it's their choice. But then don't cry running to the hospitals. Yeah, don't cry that what has happened to me. Everything is your own creation, illness and everything in your life. If it's not from food, it's from your mental attitude. Okay, so now we've done the exercises head to toe as you saw. Lie down flat. This is the last asana called Shavasana or dead man pose. I added onto it what's called Yoga Nidra. So sleep is passive where 7 to 8 hours required. If you don't have any understanding of your body, that's like an animalistic mechanism given to you. Just to sleep those hours will heal your body. But if you are human, you'll know how to actually heal your body while you are awake. And that's called Yoga Nidra. Okay, hands by your side, legs little separated, hands little separated from your body, about 1.5 cm. Your neck is straight, your eyes are closed, but your inner eye suddenly will be very open now. You'll see many more things than your open eyes. Actually, that's the purpose of yoga. It increases your depth of actually each of your senses because we only perceive around 5 to 10%, be your neurons or brain cells or your listening capacity, tasting capacity. All these things are very limited. We think we know a lot. No, you don't know even how to use your senses properly. Okay, so breathe deeply. The first part of this exercise is breath. You can't live within minutes, you'll die. And nobody, I think very few people actually appreciate that you've given breath. But you don't think about it, you take it for granted. It's like a husband takes granted the wife, or wife, the husband, or children, the parents, until they are not there. Okay, so this is just human nature. So breath is the other part, which is without you, can't live. So just for the few minutes, I'll just make you appreciate your breath. Breathe deeply through your nostrils. Deep breath. Follow the breath through your nostrils, through the windpipe, into the lungs. Now visualize what happens to the air in the lungs. Oxygen is taken by hemoglobin in the blood, travels to the heart, pumps it within microseconds to the 100 trillion cells in your body within seconds without you knowing. That's how quick and how efficient the body system moves without you even knowing. The least you can do is have some thoughts about it. Just think about it and it multiplies in your body the effect of oxygenation. Breathe again, deep. This is called prana. And there are 10 types of prana. First one itself is called prana. So deep. Visualize where the air is coming from for free. And is as old as the civilization of 5 billion years old. Or at least this atmosphere is at least around Earth itself is about 4.5 billion years old. Human beings have been on this planet at least 1.92 billion years. So that's how old the oxygen that you are breathing is coming inside you. Follow it. Now breathe again. Now bring your attention this time to the belly button and concentrate on exhalation or taking out your breath. As you breathe out, it's called apana. Watch the blood flow from your toes, from the head, comes to the heart, goes to the lung, reverse process happens. Toxic gases like carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and other things are taken out without you realizing. But just visualize it. Breathe again. Third part is bring your attention to the level above your belly button. It's called Saman. Saman, third breath, is a reflection of sun, Saman. In your body, it's called Jatharagni. It does your metabolism. It gives you the energy. As long as there is heat, you are alive. When you are cold, you are dead. Without that, it's called Saman. So whole metabolic process, whole weight balance, and anything in your body occurs from that. Breathe again. Deep breath, follow the breath. Now the fourth stage where you stop is come above to the heart level. I said Anahat Chakra where it is. It's 4-chamber heart which pumps the blood, 5 liters of blood plasma to your body. The fluidity, that prana is called Udan. And Udan is reflective of the fluidity of this body. Like Earth is surrounded by 70% ocean, your body has 70% fluid. So a lot of these exercises, the flexibility exercise that we do are moving your spine. And it's very important that that happens because yogic exercises moves your vertebral column. And there's fluid in your brain called CSF, cerebrospinal fluid. It washes the brain cells. If you don't do this movement, slowly over time, your brain cells die. And there's no wonder people have so much these days dementia, all these kind of diseases. You can't have memories because you're not washing your brain cells. CSF is a fluid. Lungs has a fluid. Heart is surrounded by fluid. Your tummy organs